In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the British pound futures as they're moving higher today. Pound futures coming off of some heavy selling pressure in the previous session to trade higher today, recouping much of yesterday's selling pressure. And with today's price action, we're looking at the British pound currently priced at 1.298, which is up just under 1% on the day. And the driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market. Number one, initially, Bank of England rate decision, cutting rates by 25 basis points, but indicating a more pragmatic approach than maybe what the market had anticipated moving forward, viewed as maybe a little more restrictive than what the market had anticipated. And with that, we did see the British pound rally after the rate decision. So that's one of the factors. Couple that with the dollar under some pressure after a very strong day yesterday. The dollar is giving up some ground today, and we're seeing most of the major FX futures markets higher on the session. Now, looking at the British pound as far as the trends, we're coming off of those lows, which were multi-month lows, near the multi-month lows in the previous session. But now we're back into the middle of this lower range, which really has been established for the last couple of weeks. So we're moving back in to the range that the British pound has been trading in the last couple of weeks as we're seeing some higher price action today. And looking at the FX futures across the board, we're seeing strong price action. Again, heavy selling pressure yesterday, but recovery mode today as really all the major FX futures markets are higher, highlighted by the Australian dollar, which is up almost just under 2% on the day. But we're seeing, again, the Japanese yen regaining some strong price action today, the euro as well as the Swiss franc, and so higher price action really across the board in the FX quadrant. British pound futures recovering nicely today, and with today's price action, we're kind of falling back in, or moving back in, I should say, to that 2.5 week range, right around the 1.30 level.